how to remove music in the Inshot app. So if you want to remove music in your Inshot app, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Inshot application. Now, for example, I'll just simply go with a video, and from here I'll go with a new video and select the video in which you would like to remove the music. Now, for example, I'll just simply go with the music section and add music. Now, as you can see that in my case, I have a music to this video. Now, if you want to remove the music, if the music is already added and it was not in the Inshot application, then you will have a mute option. You can just simply swipe, and here under the volume, you need to go with the volume and then turn off the volume. Once you turn off the volume, then your music will be removed. But if you've added the music inside the Inshot application, then you need to go with the audio section, which is on the left side. From the audio, you need to select the music, and after selecting the music, you can swipe and then tap on delete and go with the tick which is on the top right, and the music has been removed. So that's how you can remove music in your Inshot app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.